Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error, that is Minecraft launcher is currently not available in your account and the error code is 0x803F8001. So if you are receiving this error, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to sign out and sign in again on Microsoft Store. So open Microsoft Store on your computer. On the top right here you can see a profile icon, click on it, then click on select your account and then click on sign out, and then again click on the profile icon, then click on sign in. Select the right account over here, then click on continue. Enter the PIN or password over here. And once you're logged in, you can go ahead and try to install the game. Also make sure date and time is correct on your computer. So on the bottom right here, you can see date and time. Make a right click on date and time and then click on adjust date and time. Now make sure set time automatically and set time zone automatically is on. And then you can go ahead and click on sync now. And also make sure the region is correct. So go ahead and click on region and select the right country from here and then try to install the game. Now in case if you're using Xbox app, then in that case make sure that you're logged in with same Microsoft account on Xbox app as well as on Microsoft Store. So on Store you can go ahead and cross check, make sure that you are logged in with same account, and you should be logged in with same account on Xbox app. Now the next step is to run Windows Store Troubleshooter. For this, go to the start menu, click on settings, click on update and security, then click on troubleshoot, click on additional troubleshooter, and then scroll down here, you can see Windows Store apps, and then click on run the troubleshooter. And once the troubleshoot is complete, restart your computer and then try to install the game. Now the next step is to clear store cache using wsreset command. So go ahead and type in wsreset in Windows search box and then click on wsreset. And here you can see this black screen. Now just wait for this black screen to go away. Now this will take a couple of seconds or maybe a minute for this to go away, and then it will open Microsoft Store. Now the black screen is gone and it's opening Microsoft Store, and then you can go ahead and try to install the game. Now the next step is to update your Windows. So make sure that your Windows is up to date. This has worked for many users, so it might work for you. So go to the start menu, click on settings, and then click on update and security, and then click on check for update and make sure that your Windows is up to date, and then restart your computer and then try to install the game. Now the next step is to reset store app. For this, go to the start menu, then click on settings, go to apps, and then click on apps and features, and in the search box over here you can go ahead and type in store, click on Microsoft Store, and then click on advanced options. Scroll down here, you can see the reset option, click on reset, and once the reset is done, open Microsoft Store and then try to install the game. Now the next step is to restart all these services. So open services, so go ahead and type in services in Windows search box, then click on services. Now find Windows Update in the list, so make a double click on Windows Update, set it to automatic over here, and then click on apply. If start is highlighted, click on start and then click on OK. With this selected, you can go ahead and click on restart the service. Now find Microsoft Store install service. So here you can see Microsoft Store install service, make a double click, set it to automatic, apply. If start is highlighted, click on start. With this selected, you can go ahead and click on restart the service. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set it to automatic, apply, start, and then click on OK, and then click on restart now. And also make sure that all the Xbox services are running over here. So on the bottom here you can see all the Xbox services, make a double click, set it to automatic, apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. So do the same thing with all the Xbox services, click on start if highlighted, and once done, you can go ahead and try to open Microsoft Store and then try to install the game. Now the next step is to make sure Gaming Services and Xbox Identity Provider is installed on your computer. So for Xbox Identity Provider, copy this link. It will take you to Microsoft website. Click on Get. It will prompt you to open Microsoft Store. Click on Open Microsoft Store. And over here, if you see the install option, click on install. Now if you see the update option, go ahead and update. So here you can see in my case it's already installed. So if you see the get or install option, install it, and also make sure that gaming services is also installed. For this, go ahead and copy this command. First of all, we will go ahead and uninstall gaming services. So copy this command, type in PowerShell in Windows search box. So type in PowerShell in Windows search box and then make a right click on Windows PowerShell. Now make a right click on Windows PowerShell, then click on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes to allow. Now paste the command over here. Now paste the command over here and then hit the enter key. So let me copy the command once. Paste it over here and then hit the enter key. Now once done, on the same window, copy this command. Paste it over here, hit the enter key. It will open Microsoft Store and then you can go ahead and install gaming service. So click on install over here. Click on yes to allow. And once the download is complete, you can go ahead and open Xbox app or you can open Microsoft Store and then try to install the game. Now the next step is to delete the store local cache file. For this, go to this location. So open File Explorer. Click on this PC, open Cdrive. Now open your users folder and then open the your username folder and then open AppData. If you don't see AppData over here, click on View and make sure hidden items is checked over here. Then click on AppData, make a double click and then open the local and then find Microsoft Store install service. So you can go ahead and scroll down. Now first of all, go ahead and find packages folder over here. So once you open the local folder, find packages folder, open packages and now scroll down. Now over here you can see Microsoft's Windows Store _ and here you can see this alphanumeric character. So open this folder, make a right click on local cache file and then click on delete. And once this is deleted, you can go ahead and open Microsoft Store and then try to install the game. Now the next step is to run PowerShell command. So for this, go ahead and copy this command and then type in PowerShell in Windows search box and then make a right click on Windows PowerShell, then click on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes to allow. Now paste the command over here, hit the enter key. Now it will go ahead and complete the process. Now this process will take some time and during this process you might receive some error in red color. Just ignore these errors and then let the process complete. Now once done, you can go ahead and close that window and then you can go ahead and open Microsoft Store and then try to install the game. Now the next step is to uninstall and reinstall Microsoft Store. For this, go ahead and type in PowerShell once again in Windows search box, make a right click on Windows PowerShell, then click on Run as Administrator, click on Yes to allow, copy the first command. This will go ahead and uninstall Microsoft Store on your computer. So paste the command over here, hit the enter key. And once this is done, now restart your computer. So after the system restart, you can go ahead and open PowerShell once again. Type in PowerShell and then make a right click on Windows PowerShell, then click on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes to allow and then run the second command. Paste it over here, hit the enter key. This will go ahead and reinstall Microsoft Store. Now you can go ahead and open Microsoft Store on your computer and then you can go ahead and try to install the game. Now the next step is to run inetcpl.cpl command. So go ahead and type in inetcpl.cpl in Windows search box and then click on inetcpl.cpl and then go to the advanced tab, scroll down. Here you can see use TLS 1.0, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. Make sure all 4 are checked, then click on apply, OK, and then try to install the game. Now in case if you are using Microsoft Store, you can go ahead and use Xbox app. So if Xbox app is installed on the computer, you can go ahead and type in Xbox app in Windows search box and open this Xbox app and then you can go ahead and search your game over here and then use the Xbox app to install the game. Just make sure that you're logged in with the same account on Microsoft Store and with the same account on Xbox app and then try to install the game. Now if Xbox app is not installed on your computer, in that case you can go open Store and in the search you can go ahead and type in Xbox app and then click on Xbox app and then you can go ahead and install it from here and then you can go ahead and use Xbox app. Now the next step is to go ahead and select, in case if you are installing the game in D drive, you can go ahead and select C drive and then again select D drive. For this, go to the start menu, click on the start menu and then click on settings. Now click on system and then click on storage. Scroll down here, you can see change where new content is saved. Now if you are installing the game on D drive, you can go ahead and select C drive first, apply, and then again change back to D drive, apply, and then try to install the game. Now the next step is to update Windows 10 using media creation tool. So if nothing is working, you can go ahead and copy this link, open this link in a browser, it will take you to Microsoft website. Here you can see media creation tool, click on download tool now, run this exe file and then you will see this screen. Click on accept and by default upgrade this PC now would be selected. Click on next and it will go ahead and start downloading Windows 10 along with the latest update. Now this process will take some time. Now before the installation, you will see this screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. Now when this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so you can go ahead and click on install, and after the installation log into your computer, open Microsoft Store and then try to install the game. So one of the steps should definitely help you to get rid of this error. So that will be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.